Hi guys, today we're making mini pumpkin cinnamon sugar donuts. Soft, fluffy, and full of cozy fall flavor. They're gluten-free, egg-free, nut-free, and can be made fully dairy-free too. Super easy and perfect for sharing. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. Gluten-free flour, brown sugar, baking powder, pumpkin spice, pumpkin puree, and here we have cloves, cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg. We have butter, melted butter, and we have milk and salt, and of course a mini donut tray. We're generously going to grease our donut pan. Oven is preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, we're going to whisk together 1 1/4 cups of gluten-free flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Another bowl, we're going to whisk together our wet ingredients. 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree. We're going to add our melted butter. And 1/2 cup of milk. And we're going to whisk that all together. Now we're going to add our wet mixture into our dry mixture. See which way works out better, spooning it in or piping it in. I've never made these donuts before. Okay, so we're putting them in the 350 degree Fahrenheit oven for 10 to 11 minutes. And here they are. As you can see, the ones that I piped in look really cute. I think I'll make them that way next time. Now we're going to leave them in the pan for a few minutes to cool a little bit more and then transfer them to a wire rack. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the sugar, just granulated sugar. I'm using organic raw sugar. And we're going to take 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and place that in there. Mix it really well. And then we're going to take a donut, dip it in the melted butter, and roll it around in there. And put it back on your baking sheet. So we take another one, Roll it in the melted butter. And put it back. And just do that with all of them. First time making these, piping worked better than spooning, way neater. They still turned out delicious, and I hope you'll give the recipe a try, whether you're making them gluten-free, vegan, or with regular ingredients. And if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Nicholas, is your donut good?
Yummy.
Do you like it? Yes?
Is it good?